Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a different type of unboxing. This is going to be a Monat Christmas unboxing. So I thought I would try different types of unboxings for this Christmas season. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but I'm going to try different types of brands unboxings for like what would be a cute Christmas gift. So I do use Monat or Monet or whatever it's called for my hair. I do like using this shampoo. So there was like a kit. It was the it's called the Monat Merry and Magical Holiday Hair Anywhere. So it's a kit, I believe. It was like a Christmas kit. I don't remember what I paid for it. I will put it down on the link below. Okay, so this one says Style Hair Accessories or something. Let's open this up. So I will put what it retails for, but this is like the Christmas collection. So if you know anybody that likes hair, or their hair, maybe this is something that you can buy for them. I don't know. Oh, this is really cute. I really like the packaging. Oh, this is a really cute bag. Oh, look how cute. It has like little tassels. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, there's different little things. Let's see. Oh, this is really cute. Look, a little heart clip or bobby pin. It's really cute. Look, really nice and shiny. Let's see what's in here. So it looks like these are all hair accessories. Oh, look, this is a really cute clip. And the quality looks good. It's metal. You can see. Really shiny. It's like a gold, rose gold type color. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is really cute. It's like a bow. And this is like different in the back. Look, it looks like a little clip. You touch your hair. This is really, really cute. Okay, and this next one, let's see. I honestly didn't really pay attention much when I ordered it. I just thought it was cute. I really like something hair accessories. Okay, so this is another one. So maybe you can put one on each side. This is really cute for like Christmas season. Let's see what's in here. Oh, another bow. Cute. Oh, so maybe it's like a double of everything. Let's see what's in here. Oh no, look. Now so now the cute little heart bobby pin in a different color. So this is the silver, and it also comes in pink. That's really cute. Okay, and this is the last one. Oh, I don't know what oh, whoa, this is cool. Looks like a hair tie. This is a really cool hair tie look, and it has a little sign from the Monat or Monet. Probably saying it wrong. Oh, it does. Oh, look. This is really cool. It stretches. Oh, this is really cool. Look. This would be a really cute hair piece. Really cool way to tie your hair. This is really cool. And they all come in this really cute little bag. Okay, let me move these to the side. And the little box is really cute. You can put it under the Christmas tree and it looks super cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, perfect. Look, magnetic box. I always love those. You could always use them for something else. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So we have to... Okay, I get it. We can't open it without taking this off. Oh, wait. It tells you everything that comes inside. So all the shampoos and the mask. And let's see. Okay, how do you open this up? Just break it off. It's really cute. Let me figure it out. Okay, so I didn't see any other way, so I just made a mark with my knife and I'm cutting it. So, I don't know. Maybe, well, anyways, regardless, this is a gift. I bought it for myself, so it doesn't really matter. But look, once you take this off, maybe if you don't want them to know what's in here, because this says like all the description. Maybe you don't want them to know what's in here, you can just take it off and gift it this way. And let's open this up. Oh, how cute. It has tissue paper. And I believe they all Yes, they're like travel size. So this is the dry shampoo. Really cute. Perfect for this time of weather. And the Renew shampoo. So you have your hair, dry hair, detangler, sorry. So you have your dry shampoo, your shampoo for when you take a shower, you want to untangle your hair. And what else is in here? Conditioner, all right, and hairspray. So that's really cute. Everything you need when you're traveling to wash your hair and all the cute accessories. So this is really, really cute. I really liked it. I'm gonna try to get different unboxings of different brands so you guys can see what they come inside, in case you guys want to gift them during this holiday season. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys next time.